For more on the day's trade, I was joined by Fiona from Prime Value. Fiona, Telstra shares have been smashed today after today's announcement.
Yeah, so Telstra shares were down over 7% today, but they did actually come off those lows to close down just below under 5%. And keep in mind, Telstra shares actually had a big rally at the end of last week, with some investors expecting that the investor day today may have been a little bit of a positive catalyst. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case, and we have seen shares go back to the levels of last Wednesday.
On the other hand, the market hit a 10-year high.
Yeah, so we just forgot all about the trade war concerns and the big drop in international markets overnight and in Asia yesterday to have a very strong performance today. It's partly driven by the currency and the impact that has for many of our companies who have offshore earnings, so very positive for them. And also some investors taking a positive view on what any trade war with China might mean for the prospects of companies in Australia that export to China. So we saw some big strong performances in the likes of Bellamy's and Blackmores and Bega Cheese, for example, who export agricultural products to China.
And there's been a development in the Atlas Iron love triangle saga today.
Yeah, so this has been going on for a little while, with Fortescue Metals taking a blocking stake in Atlas in terms of the bid for minerals resources, and then Gina Reinhardt's Hancock Resourcing business also then taking another 19% shareholding and lobbying a bid at $380 million, which was above the $290 million mineral resources bid. Today, Mineral Resources has come out and it says it won't make a higher offer, which means that the board of Atlas is likely to approve the Hancock prospecting offer at 4.2 cents. Having said that, shares did close at 4.4 cents, so I think that there might be some expectation in the market that there could be some adjustment or perhaps a higher offer going forward. But yes, so it's been a very interesting case there, with lots of interest in the Atlas Iron assets, not just its iron ore, but also its infrastructure assets and the port at Port Hedland.
Fiona Clark, thanks so much.
It's a pleasure.